Hello everyone. This is a short video on how to make local coconut candies in Vietnam. During one of our day tours to Mekong Delta from Ho Chi Minh City, we were taken to visit this local coconut candy making business in one of the families, and we visited and observed each and every step of how to make coconut candies. Now, this family makes coconut candies in various flavors, and they market it commercially, like mango, banana, etc. And it was very interesting to watch the kind of machinery they use and the kind of knowledge they have and the kind of business that they do, starting from skinning of the coconut to shredding it, and then to taking out the coconut milk, the actual fruit, and then taking it down to melting the coconut, melting, and how then they formulate this into a coconut candy. However, the coconut candy is very soft to eat, and the flavors were real nice. This was quite a revelation for us, and also they sell this coconut candy in the market. Now these candies, once they are formed, the way the strips come out from the machinery, and then they are packed individually one by one. So there are ladies who are working in this business, and they pack these candies individually, wrap them one by one, and then they are packed in packets, and then you can buy them by weight. Now once we tried, these were indeed very nice, and there were some other stuff for buying too. For example, we also had observed some wines like banana wine, and the most interesting was the snake wine. So overall, this was a nice thing to watch. And of course, we booked this tour through TNK Travel via club.com, and this was a local guide, Tom, who really was quite knowledgeable, and he helped us through the entire tour. He helped us get various experiences in terms of wine tasting, in terms of coconut candy tasting, in terms of even honeybee tasting and all. So you can observe here the entire process of making a coconut candy, and the machines and the tools being used by the local Vietnamese people and families. And the ladies here are so hardworking that they are see how they're wrapping individual coconut candies manually, one by one. I'm not sure how many are they able to wrap during the day, but indeed it was quite a task. But we did enjoy our day. Thank you.